Hello everybody, today I'm going to demonstrate how to check your S3 bucket lifecycle rules with my application CloudLeak Guard, which you can find on the Google Chrome extension store. So first thing you want to do, you want to go to your CloudLeak Guard panel on the right, and you want to go to open S3. You're going to open your S3 buckets. You want to check the bucket you want to check. Once the bucket open up, you uncheck at the top, and you're only gonna leave S3 checked. Uncheck everything else. Go down to the bottom, run checks. Scroll within the management tab to the lifecycle rules section. That's what it's gonna tell you to do. Go to management. It gives you the instructions to go to management. Now you gotta run your checks again. Now, information you have. Bucket missing lifecycle rules. And this is available in a free version, and in the pro version it also tell you if the bucket is public or not. Public access signals detected on the bucket page.